it's $1 million property, then it's likely you'll need to bring 35% of that to the deal.
How many investors should you have a verbal commitment from before finding a deal?
You'll want to look at what your goal is. Let's use round numbers. Let's say it's $1 million property, then it's likely you'll need to bring 35% of that to the deal, which would be $350,000. And before you look for deals, you'll want to have at least $350,000 worth of verbal interest from your investors. But if you want to be really safe, then do 30% on top of that, which is approximately, say, $100,000. So you'll want to have approximately $450,000 worth of verbal interest, and then you can go to brokers, then you can go work your off-market relationships, do direct mail, etc., and find the deal. The reason why you want more verbal interest, it's probably pretty obvious. It's because people who think they're going to invest, or you think they're going to invest, don't invest. Some people who don't think they're going to invest, they might invest, they might have some liquidity event that they weren't expecting. But ultimately, you need to make sure that there is some buffer, and that's why you'll want that buffer. So $1 million deal, then have approximately $450,000 worth of verbal interest. This is assuming getting approximately 25% loan to value loan on the property, and then that remaining 10% for the 35% would be the CapEx budget, operating budget, fees, closing costs, etc. And then the remaining $100,000 would be for your buffer. So that's 350, which is 35%, and then the buffer of 100.
So the number of investors is less important than the amount of money for the deal you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
It could be one, or it could be many.
Okay. What if it was all, you had a verbal commitment for all of that from one investor?
Then better have backup.
Okay.
Better have backup. Yep.